In today's fast-paced tech world, having the right skills can make all the difference. Let's dive into the top 6 skills that'll make you irreplaceable as a developer. 1. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. With AI and ML, you can build intelligent apps and automate processes. 2. Cloud computing and DevOps. Cloud computing and DevOps will help you manage and scale your applications. 3. Cybersecurity and data protection. With the rise of cyber threats, knowing how to protect data is crucial. 4. Full-stack development and web development. Mastering full-stack and web development will open doors to exciting career opportunities. 5. Data science and analytics. With data science and analytics, you can drive business decisions with data. 6. Agile methodologies and project management. Learning agile methodologies and project management will help you deliver projects on time. In conclusion, acquiring these 6 skills will make you an invaluable asset to any company.